Now, the Shiv Sena is back to its ways of hooliganism. It's forced Bandh in Palghar to protest the suspension of police officers involved in the arrest of two girls for their Facebook post on a school. Result of that, schools, colleges and markets remain closed in the area. Bus services are also limited. There's heavy police presence all around. At least 500 police officers and the Rapid Action Force have been posted to maintain peace.
The Facebook row that had started in Palghar on the 18th of November refuses to bow down. The Shiv Sena has now called for a bandh, and as you can see, the shops which have not yet opened because it's too early for them to open are still closed, and in fact probably as the people here claimed, it might not open for almost the entire day today. This is, I'm in the main area of Palghar. This is called the Panch Batti area, and this is where the Shiv Sena has put up its poster saying the entire Facebook issue is something that they do not like the way the government has really treated it, and in fact what they have been asking is that the people in Palghar should oppose this entire move of the government. And looking into the entire ruckus that had started on the 18th of November with the start of the vandalizing of the Dhara hospital, the police does not really want to take any chance, and in fact that's the reason there's every nook and corner of Palghar that has been occupied. There has been stationing of police people that has been done so that just got no law and order situation really arises. With cameraman Rakesh Salaskar in Palghar, Vidya for Headlines Today.
Now, that was a report filed earlier in the day. The Shiv Sena claims the policemen are being made scapegoats and has even demanded the suspensions be revoked. Defending the officers, party spokesperson Sanjay Raut claimed that they prevented a reoccurrence of the Azad Maidan violence.
अगर 100% बंद है, महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने जिस तरह से पुलिस के ऊपर फेसबुक केस में कार्रवाई की है, मुझे लगता है कि सिर्फ निषेध या धिक्कार करके नहीं चलेगा। पालघर की जनता ने जिस तरह से बंद पुकारा है, मुझे लगता है कि सरकार के मुंह पे तमाचा लगा है। सरकार इस तरह से पुलिस का नीति धैर्य और मनोधैर्य का खच्चीकरण करता है, तो आने वाले दिनों में महाराष्ट्र की पुलिस इस प्रकार की घटना घटेगी तो कोई एक्शन नहीं लेगी और मुखदर्शक बनेगी।
Shiv Sena is back to its politics of violence and hooliganism. Joining us is Vidya from Palghar. Vidya, we just heard that report that you filed from Palghar earlier in the day. What's the situation now? Is it any better, or do shops remain closed, schools shut, and normal daily life affected?
Well, it certainly has been. In fact, we took a round around the entire Palghar area, all the shops. In fact, some of those women who had actually tried opening their shops, they were made to shut down. They were asked to leave their place, and in fact, they had to lose their livelihood only because Shiv Sena people had come and threatened them. But also, in fact, apart from that, we are right now at the Palghar police station where some of the MNS people had come today. They were registering a complaint again on the same Facebook issue. A person by the name of Sunil had registered certain status messages which use the word abusive languages with that of the the MNS leader Balasaheb Thackeray with Raj Thackeray, and that is the reason for this entire ruckus that was created. In fact, here just now the boy was called up. He's quite a minor child. He was the one who was caught up by the MS people themselves. They brought him here to the police station. They wanted a formal complaint registered against him. The police as yet has not done so, but what they have done is they have taken Sunil into custody. They as in informal custody. They're keeping him there, and they've also asked all the MS people to get move out of the police station so that they can speak to him as to why he has done something like this. But certainly that's one other way that we see MS is totally following what the Shiv Sena was doing for the last many days now in Palghar.
Is there fear that similar scenes that we witnessed in Palghar after that complaint that was registered by the Shiv Sena against Shaheen and Renu, similar scenes might be replicated by MNS as well now?
Well, as of now, the police hasn't really moved on taking on a formal complaint in the way they had done in Shaheen and Renu's case. As of now, yes, the formal complaint has not been done, but since the entire law and order situation in Palghar is on the tenterhooks, so police really is not taking any chances. They have taken Sunil into custody. They are keeping him here, probably not fearing also for the fact that there might be a little threat perception on him also for the fact that what he had written on about Raj Thackeray hasn't really gone down well with the MNS supporters here, and that is why they actually pulled him out of his house. They got him to their shakha here in Palghar. They also then brought him to they themselves brought him to the police station. So certainly fearing of kind of a problem that might occur, the law and order problem in Palghar, the police isn't really taking chances. They have certainly tied up their entire, the entire protection of the
Right.
city is something that the police is keeping on the high priority list.